breakfast and look how much fruits and juice we have. I like these ones. But Nikki, there's so much bread. We can choose a lot of types of bread. Yeah. I'm remembering the story with bread, that Jesus multiplied the bread. Yeah, Mel, it was getting so dark and they were getting hungry. So the disciples found a little boy with 2 breads and gave it to Jesus. And they had faith in Jesus, so Jesus multiplied it. And Jesus multiplied for 5,000. I am imagining a bunch of people hungry. No, it wasn't 5,000. They were just counting the men. There was women and little kids too. Whoa, that's so much. Yeah. That must have been the yummiest bread ever made. Because Mel, you know this first miracle of Jesus, he turned water into wine. And everybody said in the wedding that was the yummiest wine ever made. So imagine the bread, Mel. Whoa. If we go to Aunt Lillian's house and tell her if she can teach us how to do bread. Yeah, that's a great idea, Mel. Guys, let's go. Hi, Aunt.
Hi, Mel. Hi, Nikki.
Hi, Aunt.
Good to see you.
So we're here with our friends because we want to know how to make bread.
Of course. Hello. So let's learn how to make a bread. So for our bread, we need 6 cups of all-purpose flour. You can mix some whole wheat flour. Okay. So, but here we have just all-purpose flour. So now you can put 1 cup of wheat bread. Good. And we add 1 cup of, this is 1 cup of red milk flaxseed. Good job, Mel. And 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Okay, like this.
And 1 tablespoon of salt. And we put the dry yeast. Here we have 2 tablespoons of dry yeast.
Okay.
Now we're gonna put 3 cups of water, but this is warm water. Okay. And 3/4 cup of oil. Okay, now let it rest. I'm gonna get some tablecloth and cover the dough. Okay, when the dough rises, it's ready to roll it. Okay, so let's shake it out.
Yes. Now where is it?
Oh, it's double the size. See?
So big and
Yeah, now you can.
it smells so good.
Smash it. Okay, good. I'm gonna make my big bread first, and you see how I'm making it, okay? I'm doing it. So you open the dough a little bit, flip it over, and start rolling it. Okay, very gentle. Make a roll. Okay, so this is the big one. Now let's wait again for about 45 minutes.
Whoa! Look at the one that was so big.
Yeah, it's perfect time to put in the oven.
This is the part that you need your parents, so make sure that you have an adult with you guys.
Okay, girls, the bread is ready. Let's try it.
Yay! Yes! Did you know that Jesus said that He is the bread of life? And He said that who eats from that bread shall never be hungry. Aunt, how do we eat from that bread?
Reading the Bible. Jesus said in Luke 4, verse 4, "Man liveth not by bread alone, but by every word of God." So, reading the Bible, you are reading the bread of God.
See you next Friday.